Hello friends, this is Dilip Raj here and you're watching my channel My Logical Thought. The vaccination drive for the second phase has started a bit long ago, but still there is a lot of question about how one can go about registering themselves. There is two ways of doing it. One is using Arogya Setu app and other is using your desktop computer. In this video, I'm going to guide you how to use your desktop computer to register yourself for the vaccination. Or you can also click on the I button somewhere top here if you wanted to know how to register for the vaccination using Arogya Setu app. Enter selfregistration.cowin.gov.in on your browser's address bar and click enter. This will direct to the registered or sign in vaccination page. Enter your mobile number in the enter mobile number field and click on get OTP button. You will receive a text message with 6-digit OTP on the same number. Now on the CoWIN portal, you will be directed to the OTP verification page. Enter 6-digit OTP that you had received and click on Verify button. Once the OTP has been verified, you will be directed to the welcome page if you are registering for the first time, or else it will directly land you to the account details page. Once you have registered your mobile number, you can register 3 more members on the same number if required. Let us know how you can add yourself as a beneficiary and schedule a vaccination appointment from the accounts details page. Click on the Add Member button. This will direct you to the Register for Vaccination page. On this page, you select the type of photo ID proof from the drop-down menu that you would like to register using. You can use your Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card, passport, pension passbook, NPR smart card or your voter ID. Please note that your photo ID will be verified at the time of vaccination appointment. Please make sure to select the photo ID from the list that is available with you and you will be able to carry to the vaccination center. Once you have selected photo ID proof from the drop-down menu, enter the relevant ID number in the field below. For example, if you have selected an Aadhaar card as your photo ID proof for registration, then you will have to enter your Aadhaar card number. Now enter your name, gender and year of birth as it is available on your photo ID proof to complete the registration process for the beneficiary. An individual register will be displayed on your screen. This will direct you to the account details dashboard where you have added as a beneficiary. Now let us schedule a vaccination appointment. Under your details, you will be able to schedule your appointment by clicking on Schedule button. After clicking the Schedule Now button, you will be directed to the Book Appointment for Vaccination screen. On this page, you will be able to find the vaccination center by entering your district or area PIN code and click on Search. This will show you a list of vaccination centers that are available in and around your PIN code. Once you have found a suitable vaccination center with available slot on your desired date and vaccination type, click on the button that shows the number of seats available for the particular vaccination center, so that this will direct you to the time slot selection, where you can select a vaccination appointment time that is convenient for you. Once you have selected a time slot, click on Confirm button. Your vaccination appointment will be successfully scheduled. You will be able to see booked information on the confirmation page. And if you wish to download the appointment acknowledgement slip, click on the download button and save it on your computer. To go back to your account details dashboard, click on back arrow button. If you would like to reschedule a vaccination appointment, click on reschedule appointment button just below the member's name and schedule the appointment as per your convenience. If you have already received your first dose, the due date for the second dose will be showing right below the name of the account details dashboard. That's all in this video, my friends. Please give a like to this video if you found this video to be useful, and smash the subscribe button if you are new here. And please don't forget to share this video so that it might help to someone who is looking for this kind of content. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.